everybody, it's Nicole and we are unboxing December's Birchbox. There was a free gift with new subscriptions, so I actually canceled and re-signed up so I could see what the gift with subscription is. Then we have our December Birchbox, and then I had ordered for Black Friday some Lock cosmetics, so we're going to check those out too. So let's start off with the Lock cosmetics. And the free sample was Origins Modern Friction Gentle Dermabrasion, which I cannot wait to try. And then we got a one and done shadow stick. Excuse me, a one and done shadow stick. Love of color. And this is a Night Owl. Oh, it does not do justice online. Very metallic purple. Oh, it's beautiful. I can't wait to use it. And then we got Heavy Petal. Ooh, I like that too. Very metallic, peachish pink. And then this was the On Fire Clutch Collection. You get a matte lipstick and two one and done shadows and a sharpener. Really nice sharpener. Like the sharpener a lot. Okay, so first is the Wildest Dreams matte lipstick. And it is very vibrant red. Feels very smooth and creamy. And then we got the On Point one and done shadow, if I can open it. That is the On Point. It's more of a tan, a shimmery metallic tan, like a sandy color. And then last is a Smoke Screen one and done shadow. And it's got iridescent glitter in it, so it actually looks like it's multiple colors. It's a dark, smoky, metallic, iridescent. That's really nice. So those are, that is the On Fire Clutch Collection with the sharpener. And then the sample, so those are awesome. And then let's check out our free gift with purchase. Oh, looks like that's the December Birchbox. I tried pre-opening this and it was not cooperating. That's why I grabbed a knife. So this must be our free gift with purchase. Or new subscription. And they don't want you to open it. Because the pull tab, it just like shreds. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna hurt myself. There we go. Oh, yes, that is our free gift. This is, so let's check out the free gift. Oh, I don't even know where to start. All right, let's just start. Protect and Blonde Toning Shampoo. I don't know if it's purple. It is purple. It has a really nice light fragrance. It smells really good. Then we got a waterproof eye makeup remover. And Milk Makeup. Excuse me. Milk Makeup, which I have not tried this yet. So it's a lip and cheek stain. Kind of just smells like regular lipstick. Not a bad color though. I wouldn't use it on my cheeks, but. And then we got a Brighten Up Face Rejuvenator. It's an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Nice. And then we got a Tokyo Milk Light. Let's see. It's not bad. It's got a really clean smell. It's Transformation with mandarin, mandarin, tuberose, amber and earth, and white clay. It's not bad. I kind of like it. Oh, can't wait to try it. So that was our free gift with purchase, which is kind of awesome. The Beauty Protector Toning Shampoo. Full size is $23. Oh, that's this $23. The waterproof eye makeup remover. The full size, this is the sample size, the full size is 16. The lip and cheek full size milk makeup is 24. The full size perfume is 42. And the full size face rejuvenator is 34. So that's awesome. I can't wait to try these. Okay, and then our December Birchbox. Very, very nice. I like this little box. We got our gift tags. Those are pretty cute. This month's theme is Shine On. Well, let's jump right in. Okay, we got our body cream by Jara. This is the sample size. The full size is $35. We got a Protect and Detangle Leave-In Conditioner. I smell the cardboard, so it doesn't have much of a smell, so I like that. I'll go back to the jar because I'm trying to rush. I don't want this to be too long of a video. Nice, silky, creamy, really nice fragrance. I like this a lot. Can't wait to try that on my also dry skin. Then we got an energizing, hydrating gel by Marcel. This is the sample sample size. Full size is $26. And then we got an English Laundry by Christopher Wicks number 7. And this is number 7 for her. The full size is anywhere from 70 to 90 depending on. This is pretty strong, so I don't know. I would use it. I don't like very strong fragrances, but it's always nice to have stuff. And then we got the Shine On. What is this? Oh, okay. I was gonna say, and then thought we were missing a sample. Oh, I want to blind you. Got this really cute little mirror. I don't want to blind you, but that's really cute to carry in your purse or wherever, in your pocket if you want. Then last, we got the Out of Your Shell Lock One and Done. Oh, I can't open anything today. I'm going to do it right next to our other lock. Very nice opal white color. It's got a lot of shimmer, but it's not really metallic. Very nice. So I like this month's box a lot, and I will link in the description box. I will link these full-size products, so if you want to buy them, you can. Very nice. I'm very happy with this month Birchbox. Awesome. So shine on, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.